Hi and welcome to this absolute beginner step-by-step guide to the Tai Chi stance called Empty Stance. Let me show you Empty Stance. Start by turning your foot out slightly and transferring the weight onto it. We want to ground the weight into the floor. Placing the ball of the other foot gently on the floor, we want this front foot empty of weight. Our ideal posture is we have 100% of our body weight on that back supporting leg, grounded and rooted into the floor. We're lifting up through the crown, lifting up through the body, and we want that front foot empty of weight. As empty stance is one of our Tai Chi balance stances, you can practice holding onto a sturdy chair or on a wall to help support your balance, and this is a great modification as we are building our strength. Alternatively, a modification is placing a small amount of body weight into that front ball of the foot so that the body weight is distributed slightly more evenly and a progression is moving into that single leg lift. Let's practice our empty stance together. Setting up on one side, we are going to tap this front foot in and tap it back out again, keeping the posture tall and keeping the body weight in that back supporting leg. This time adding a single leg lift. And let's repeat that from the beginning again. Then stepping to the side to set up on the other foot, and we'll repeat it on the other side. Think about your posture throughout, and of course we're pulling belly button through to spine to have those abs engaged. I hope you found this absolute beginner's guide to Tai Chi Empty Stance useful. Check out the rest of the Absolute Beginners playlist on the Freshfield Fitness YouTube channel. And remember to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying all these sessions. Hope to see you soon. Bye.